This video is for Chinese 202 Lesson 2, and we will be talking about expressing relative degree or extent using BiJiao. The word BiJiao, meaning relatively, comparatively, or rather, is not used to make absolute comparisons. This term is more general and is used in statements to indicate a relative degree or extent. So when we are using 比较 in a sentence, we aren't making comparisons like Rob is taller than Bob or Cassie is quieter than Jessica. We would be making statements more like Rob is taller in one of the taller students in class, or Cassie is one of the quieter students in class. We aren't comparing things to certain other things. So, for example, 6, we can say 这把椅子比较贵，你别买了. This chair is rather expensive. Don't buy it. For example, 7, if someone's asked you, 你喜欢什么运动? What kind of sports do you like? You could answer, 我比较喜欢打网球. I kind of like playing tennis. And in these two situations, for the first, we are comparing the price of the chair to basically all the other chairs. And it's one of the more expensive ones. So this speaker is advising to not buy it. In this situation, we are saying, out of all the 运动, out of all the sports, I kind of like playing tennis. So we aren't comparing tennis to, say, basketball and asking if they like basketball or tennis better. It's a comparison of all the sports in general. So examples of situations where you cannot use 比较 to answer a question. So if someone asked you, 听说你这2天不太舒服，今天觉得怎么样? I heard that you were sick the last couple of days. How are you feeling today? You would have to answer 好一点了, or if you got worse, then 不好. You couldn't answer 比较好. And this is because the questioner is asking you to directly compare how you've been feeling the last couple of days to today. So you can't answer in a general sense with 比较. And for example 9, 我很高，我哥哥更高. I'm very tall. My older brother is even tall. In this situation, if you were to use 比较, it would be something like 我很高，我哥哥比较高. And the translation of this would be something like, I'm very tall. My brother is also rather tall. So it doesn't really make sense to use 比较 in the sentence for this situation. The main thing with 比较 is to make sure that you are using it in a sentence that is more general, comparing things more in general and not specifically, as in comparing like the last couple of days to a specific day. So yeah.